My project for creating a remote for my entertainment system has been delayed multiple times. First because I had to change out the keypad, and then in the middle of it I decided to change from a infrared remote to a radio frequency remote. Initially I was thinking of using the XBs, but at $40 a piece it seemed a little bit of an overkill. And I was pointed to these Nordic modules that were under $3 a piece. I got these off of eBay. They are not quite as nice to work with as the XBs, not as user friendly, and they require 6 pins over the XBs too. But at $3 a piece, or less than $3 a piece, I had to try them out. Thankfully, Mr. Den, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly, has been working on the drivers, the propeller drivers for these Nordic modules. And I'm going to try running his master and slave demo objects, with this one being the master and this one being the slave. You'll notice I tried to make these breadboard compatible by expanding out the pins, but that didn't work too well for me, so I ended up having to run wires to them anyway. I have the master board powered off the breadboard, but that's its only connection. So when they're communicating, it'll just be wireless. And what his program does is that the master will send 2 numbers to the slave, which will then add them together and then send the result back to the master again. And both of them show the results through the serial terminal, but I only have one prop plug. So we will just be looking at the slave's serial terminal output. Okay, this was aggravating. For some reason it worked when I wasn't using the Faststone video software to record this. I can't imagine why the Faststone software would interfere with these Nordic modules at all. But it would go one time and then they would stop communicating with each other. So the next step will be to see if I can modify this code and to make it do what I want it to.